Hello traders, we are back with one more setup. The pair is GBPUSD. Before we talk about anything, and let's check the date and the time, which is 1:03 p.m. Thursday, 4th of June 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart GBPUSD, and we have entered short at the current price. Okay, so enter short here at the current price around 3435 and exit will be around 3382. So 3382, 8380. So how many pips? Let me see. 35 plus 20, around 50 to 55 pips in this trade. Okay, so between 50, or let's say I'm expecting 50 plus pips in this trade, 50 to 55, somewhere in between. So 50 plus pips, so one trade, that's cool enough. Okay, so we're gonna go short in GBP USD. Okay, and once my take profit is hit, once the price touches this black line, once this drops down to my black line, or even if I exit early, I'll come back and record the TP video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we are back with our take profit video. So we are on GBPUSD. Let's check the date and the time right here. So refresh it, and currently it is 10:34 a.m. Friday, 5th of June 2026 EST. We took this trade yesterday, I guess. Maybe yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday we took it. So I think we entered around 344 or 34 or somewhere here. We entered at this candle actually. Yeah, 3435 I remember. So we entered here, and then we made a double top, and then we came down. So bottom line is our take profit is hit. This is our trade. So we entered at 3434 and exit at 33828. So we made almost how many pips? 13 plus 34, 47 is it? No, not 47. 17 plus 34. How much? 51. Yes, we made 51 pips in this trade. $12,000 I made, so that's fine. You can make less or more depending on how much capital you have. But we made 51 pips. That is what matters. So I guess we are done. Okay. So if you want these setups before they actually happen, then join the program. Below my video, it will be saying swing like a pro. Go and join that mentorship program, or find the link. Maybe you are in my Telegram or on the sales page already. So go and help yourself, join the program. Then you can get these setups yourself as well. Till then, see you again.